Welcome back to another Mad Mowers video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Kress 40-volt strimmer, the KG154E. So this strimmer is part of their CrossPack system, so it runs off of 2 of their 20-volt batteries. The kit at the moment would come with 4 amp-hour batteries, and we find we get roughly an hour depending on what we're going through. Moving down, we have the trigger, so it has a button on the side for your safety that you press with your thumb, and then you just pull the trigger in to turn the head on. And it's a really sturdy trigger. You'd have to be really trying to break or damage that. It has an eco button on the top to basically lower your maximum speed when you pull the trigger in. Moving down, we have the D handle. This is very sturdy on this machine. Once it is mounted, it is a solid piece and it's not sliding around or twisting around. It's very firm. So moving down, it does have a place that you can split the shaft for storage or for moving it around, and it's also just how it comes shipped, so you just need to pop it back together. And it's not a flimsy connection, you don't have to worry about that at all. We use this at our own house and it's very secure down there. And moving to the top, we have the brushless motor at the end of a strimmer with a quick load head, nice guard, and it's bump feed as well. And I'll show you how to load that head later as well. So we are going to start in this garden, which is maintained by a robot mower, and we also strim it regularly, so there isn't actually much strimming to do here, but this is sort of more of what this trimmer is designed for. And then after that, I'll show you how to load the head, and then we'll stress test it going through some really thick stuff. So this was really nice to use in this garden setting, especially with that variable speed trigger. It means you can be so precise around the trees and make sure you're not damaging anything. It's really light and nimble compared to a petrol machine. So now I'm just going to show you how to reload the strimmer line, and then we'll take it out the front and we'll go through some thick stuff. So I have my length of string here, and I'm going to show you how to pop it in the head. All you have to do is just turn it clockwise till it clicks, and then turn it back until it locks. Then take one end of your string and poke it through one side, and it should come out the other. You do sometimes just need to give a string a little bit of a twist, and out it comes. So you get the 2 ends even, and then all you need to do is turn the head clockwise and wind it in, and that's how to load the new string. And there you go, and then all you need to do is rev up the strimmer, bump the head on the floor, and you're good to go. So now we're going to take this strimmer through this long grass here and a bit through back there with the stinging nettles, and just see how it performs. And this is also a good time to mention that you can't put a metal blade on the end of a strimmer. If you want to do that, you have to either get the multi-tool or go up to the commercial range. This thing is really, really impressive. My brother Cornelius took over from me because he thought I was being a bit gentle with it and tried to get it to stool. We could not get this thing to stool until it ran out of battery, and then it did get one piece wrapped around at the very end. This is a really nice strimmer to use. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and it's also got the runtime there. So we'd definitely recommend.